I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the environment, update to iOS 18 and open messages so you can act immediately. Tap a conversation, then the app drawer and choose stickers to reveal packs. If a pack is missing, go to Settings Messages and enable third-party sticker packs. This makes custom stickers usable across chats. Once done, long press a sticker to see options like Add to Favorites. This first step ensures the sticker tools are available when you need them. Next, you'll create or import stickers so they behave like emojis. Use photos or files, or open a sticker creation app and drag images in. Trimming backgrounds and choosing transparency matters because stickers behave best without clutter. Make sure to set a consistent size so they align with emoji dimensions. This prevents odd scaling in chats. Once you save images into a named sticker pack, the system indexes them, and they appear in your stickers drawer for fast selection and reuse. Finally, you'll use and place stickers the way you'd use emojis. Tap to send or peel and place onto a message bubble, photo, or live photo to add context. You can pinch to resize and rotate before releasing, so they sit naturally where you want them. Make favorites for your go-to emoji stickers to speed future use. If a sticker fails to send, make sure iMessage is enabled, try reinstalling the sticker pack, and, if necessary, restart your device to refresh the messages cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.